sure to stick around with me up to the end so that you can understand a step-by-step process, guys, how you will be trading as well without making some losses, guys. So stick around with me up to the end so that we can move together. We go on very well without making losses, guys. So as well, everything is good. We have been anticipating the way how market, everything which we have been anticipating, the market did it very well, and then it's moving or it have reached on our anticipating zones so that we can start grabbing our sniper zones, guys. So yes, that's all. Everything they are going to be on the chart, and then we see how we can grab guys, that money, of course. So as usual, like usual, grab pen and paper, and then we start get you pen and paper, and then we start to analyze our charts, guys. So yes, live and clear. If you ready, if you hear me, just go in the chat and typing in you can hear me. So as well, we are going to be analyzing the market, and we see how you can start making money from the volatility 75 index as a step-by-step process. So as usual, as a trader, you always know that before you starting trading, you have to be having a good plan so that you can make money, guys. If you don't have a plan, you can't just come from anywhere and then you're jumping into the market and then you start trading. You think that you will get money from the market. You have to be having a plan, and you have to be having a system that will help you so that you can make money. So as well, you know, this channel will always give out a massive and amazing fantastic trading style and trading strategy which will help you to grab a lot of money. So yes, it's time for analysis. Let us start. Let me dive into the chart, and then we start analyzing our the market, guys. So yes, if you hear me, just I want to see on the chat, type there. If you can hear me, just drop a yes on the chat. I know if the voice is clear, because the last live was not good. It had a lot of noise, guys. So drop out yes if you hear me. Okay, so let us go to the chat. Yes, I'm waiting the chat to load out. They are loading, still loading. Yes, guys, we are live on the chat right now. So if you also see my chats, diving into the chat, and then what, and put yes, you can drop the comment on the live chat that you can see my chats right now. So how do we make a market analysis? The market analysis, we always we have to start on a higher time frame. We are on the monthly, guys. So this is a monthly time frame. It helps us to show which exactly the direction of the market, where it is heading, guys. Including we apply the market analysis. So high time frame, it's an ego view of the market to know that the overall trend, where the market is heading. You know, in the trend we have three trends. We have downtrend, we have a sideways trend, and we have an uptrend, guys. So uptrend is this one. This is the uptrend, and this is the sideways trend around here, and this is the downtrend, guys. Sideways trend, the market is making the high equals and then the low equals, which we say that equal lows and equal highs. So that is a sideways trend. Then the downtrend, the market have to making the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower highs, and that is a downtrend. And the uptrend is always market make the high, low, high, 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 low, high, high. That is what we call an uptrend, guys. So as well, we are only excuse me, we are on our monthly time frame. We can see that the last live I told you guys that we having here a zone where the market started to pump up in 1st January in 2020. The market started to pump up, and right now in 2023, guys, we can see that the market have rebound back to this exactly same zone, guys. We can see that the market have come back on this zone, which means we are expecting that the market to break this trend line, and then we start see buys, guys, up to when we come back here. So the last time I told you that because we have hit this the monthly zone, we are expecting on some double bottoms, guys. So if we go to if we diving in, let me first remove this boy here, yeah, like that. So if we diving into weekly time frame, guys, we are still in monthly. If we come back in weekly, we can see here around this place, guys. If you see it very well, we can see around this area, around this place, when the weekly comes, guys, and it tapped in the first leg, come and make the second leg. That's why I told you last time we can see that if the last week close as like this, a bushing, I think we are going to be having a double bottom, and exactly the market hits that. So we have got a double bottom in weekly. We are expecting that, or we are hoping, if the market break this around this area, guys, if the market breaks around 40637.8.23, if the market breaks that zone, guys, and it close above this entry, we will know that we have to wait the market come back and do what, and retest, we continue. But even if it breaks this trend line, that will not be only the confirmation that which we saw, that will not be enough confirmation which will tell us that we are going to buy. Why? Because we know that the market always move like this. So which you see here around here, guys, it is the same thing which you can see here, which means the market have broke this zone in the weekly. It comes to retest first time, it will come to retest. If you see the zone about 43.13.21, that zone it have not yet retested in a monthly, which means if the market come and retest 41.13.21, we are expecting, even though this trend line get broken, until we break this in monthly, yes, we have this one. Are you getting? But we are still thinking about this zone. So if the market breaks this, we have to see here some maybe a little bit push back, and then we continue up, or a retest of this 43.13.21, then we continue going down. All of that we might see them in the future, so we shall keep holding, and then we see what will be the next, because right now we're having a double bottom in weekly, and then it is confirmed, guys, it is confirmed, because you can see this one and this one, and then last week we closed as a bush engulfing. You can see that, which means it tells us that there is a lot of buyers which are still coming in, and whenever you see a chart, whenever you see a candlestick pattern in higher time frame, the most cases that what it highly probability to work well, guys. So as well, we can see that. Let us go to a daily let us dive into the daily and we see what the daily is telling us. Okay guys, as well we can see here on the daily guys, on the daily, if we drop down again, what's happened to my boy? The market came here guys, and it reached to our monthly zone guys, for the 2020, and then we started coming up. We come again like the last time I told you that the market, if it close, let me try to zoom out somehow somewhere. If you are watching, we see the following day that the market started pumping and it broke this zone guys. So if you managed to enter here guys, after seeing that the daily has closed above this side and then it's starting to pump up, you jumped in the market and then you started making you money guys. So as well, if we can go on H4, if we go on H4 right now, we can see what is going on. We can see, first and foremost, let us stay in the daily again. Let us first be here on the daily a little bit and I show you something guys. So why am I expecting that the market is might reverse about this area or about this area? Why? We can see that this zone around here, we having that sellers pumped this market to bring it down guys. And remember, we have not yet broken our monthly overall trend guys. We are still looking for the sales. Why? So if the market had already tapped into the supply demand guys, it have already reached to the supply demand. So we are waiting to see what will be the reaction, because here they are still what? Sellers, because the market is what? It is on the supply. So we are waiting to see. This is the first zone which you see here on the green color guys. So the market is around that. It can break and then it come up to the top here around on the light blue guys. So as well, let us dive into H4. Let us go to H4 and we see guys what is going on right now guys. Daily we are done. Let us go to the H4. So when you reach in H4, you can see guys, if you see around this place, if you see around this place that the market did what? The market did something here guys around this area, that the market come and tried to buy here, and then it continues. The high amount of money was injected into the market, so the market started pumping down. That's why I'm saying that this zone and this guys, all of them, they are strong. So we have to wait to see the reaction of the market guys about these two zones guys. If the market break them, then we shall also keep waiting to see when it taps on the trend line in the monthly, what will happen guys. So as well, H4, we can see that it's still on the monthly zone guys. It's still on the monthly zone. So we can see that the market is already on 3870, 15 guys. It's where it's playing from. That is a high zone guys. We can also wait to see when the market reaches on 40, 60, 378 or 41, 40, 14. So if the market breaks there, we have to wait again, 43, 13, 21. Those are the zones what we have to be waiting to see the reaction, how it will be. So what we have to do to keep your eye on these zones and then make sure drop into H1. Let us go to the H1 very fast. Let us go to H1 very fast and we see. So what we have to do, if you are on new chart right now, do like this. Go to H1 and there is this beautiful high highs and high lows here, which are being formed on H1. Just connect this 1, 2, and 3. Draw your trend line like this and wait, and we wait to see, because this trend line, it is the same as in minute 5 guys. It is the same as in minute 5. So this is our counter trend guys. The market is already on our sniper zone. area. The market is already on our sniper zone area, and we see in H1, guys, there is something beautiful here, guys. There is something beautiful here, guys. So pay strong attention. Pay attention, guys. We can see that the market tapped in first leg and then comes out. Are you getting the point? It has failed to break here, but as soon as possible, I hope it will break. Do you see? This was a high. It formed a high low, comes forming a new high, tapped in to our sniper zone, comes and formed a new high low. It have come again and formed to make another new high. It had failed, guys. So we see that the market is still struggling to break out this previous new high. So it continues to high. If it fails, guys, we are expecting a double top, because you can see these, guys. If this double top confirmed, which will be that the breakout of this, guys. Are you getting the point? If this double bottom confirms, it will what? It will push the market to break our counter zone. So if this counter zone be broken, we shall immediately take the sales, and then the TP1. Let me try to put to show you the TPs, guys. So you be ready, guys. The TP1, if the market breaks, the TP1 should be around 378950.84. that will be the TP1 if the market breaks the trend line, and then the TP2 should be around 372399.25. that should be the TP3, and then the last TP should be at the zone, at the demanding zone of the monthly 3577.43.96. So all of those, they are the TP, but keep in mind about these ones, guys. If you see that the market had hit UTP1, make sure that you move, you stop loss to you break even, guys, and make some parcels, so that to keep what? To keep you safe. It's not good to go at the river, you fetch water, and then you fail to come home with water, guys, and other people have go home with water. So we are having right now our counter trend around this area, guys. It's already implemented, so we are waiting to do what? We are waiting to see what the market will reacting about our counter zone, guys. If the market fails to do what we are expecting, we have to leave this counter trend. We have to go to wait it on above to H4. We have to go in H4, and we wait that let me do like this very fast, and we see. So if the market fails, we have to wait at the last this leg when it started to drop down. Where was the power started from? It started around from this area. If the market fails to do what we want here, we shall wait it to 63.78.23. It's where we're going to be waiting the market to reach, and we see how it will be reacting, guys. So, and another thing, guys, if the market breaks the trend line before it hits here, we shall also shoot it down, and make sure to be expecting that even though if the market reverses here, guys, so keep it in mind, it's still having opportunity to come to do like this. It can break, and then we short it later time, hit the TP1 in H1, and then we come back again to reach up to what? Up to complete the all of the man to pick another order, and then we what? And we drop the market again, guys, to this monthly zone. So as well, I want to go back to like the how we see the market is still pumping up according to the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. Double bottoms, guys. So this is what I'm expecting, and that is what the market analysis tells us. So all of them, we have to be expecting them, because the market, it might continue to sales, or it have started to pumping up. So this is how let us go to the daily, and I show you something. Where are you, daily? Where are you? Daily is here. So as well, guys, we can see that all of these zones where we are expecting the market to reverse back, it is the neckline. It is the what? It is the neckline of these two legs, guys. It is the neckline. So whenever the market, if the market those ones who took this pattern, those who trade this pattern, they are bringing the market here. We can see that we have already reached there. So here they are what? They are taking out, they are booking out their money, guys. They are closing their entries. Are you getting the point? So if the market breaks the neck line of these two bottom, if the market breaks the neckline, I want you to keep this in your mind, keep reminding it. That's why I always tell you that come with a pen and a paper to keep noting some things, guys, because all of them you can't remember them at the well. So if the market breaks the neckline, it always say that it goes back to its origin. So where is the origin of this market, guys? You can see that if the market breaks this, it will come back on its origin, where the market started from to flow down. We can see if the market breaks the neckline, because we have already in the neckline. If we break this, we have to come here. Are you getting point, guys? If the market break the neckline, it have to come back to its origin. It has to come back to its origin. Where the origin is, the origin. Draw you line only daily around what? Around 62, 90, 84.72. Put you zone there. That is the origin where the market started to drop down, guys. No. Hold a little bit. Yes, that is 61, 51, 74. Modify it. 61, 52, 74.34. That is the origin, guys. So if the market breaks the neckline up to this area, but it's going to take days and months to see the market is going. So which means also if we break this neckline, that will also confirming it will confirm the monthly game, guys. It will confirm in the monthly. If we can go in the monthly and we see what was happening in 2020, you can see that in a monthly, that in 2020 when the market reached around this area, we can see it, where you can see this zone. This is the monthly zone, the demand, guys. In 2019 here, it was around 2019. Are you getting the point, guys? Around this area, guys. Yes, here it was 20. You can see it was 2019 around this area, guys. It's when the market started to pump. It have never come back, but right now in 2023 the market come back and tapped in, guys, which means this power which was there in almost 2 years, guys, now we might see it a pump again. Are you getting the point? We might see the pump again. So you can see that this zone, guys, because it was the origin of the market to drop down. We can see that it's like this break, it's coming like to retest, guys, and then it's continue with the sale. Are you getting the point? That can happen because we can see that all of this, it is a strong zone, guys. It is a strong zone. That is the origin, which means the market comes here. If it breaks, we shall see that the downtrend is over. So we are starting to see the upward trend, guys. So as well, make a subscribe button right now. Click a subscribe button, guys. This is helping the growth of this channel, and it gives me more effort to create more lives, to come in live and I teach you guys. I give you everything what I know from my heart, guys, and to give you each and everything, guys, you need. So now make sure if you have any question, just drop it there on the live or in the comment. If you are watching a replay, just drop down there a hash a replay. So as well, if we go back to minute 5, let us go to minute 5 directly and we see what is happening right now. We can see the market is still struggling, guys. the market is still struggling. We can see that right now on H5, the market is doing what? Look at here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. That the market is now knowing it doesn't know where to go. The market, it doesn't know where to go. It's making a equal. Sorry, a little bit, guys. The market is making what? The market is making a consolidation. Are you getting? This is equal, guys. So that's why this counter trend is saving us to jump in faster when the market is not. It has not what showing us exactly what we going to happen or what it had decided to do. So what we can see that the market, it had been coming, making the high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. So let us see if the market breaks here, continues. But we can see that the power a little bit, the power is somehow getting what? Is somehow losing to continue go up, guys. The power of pushing the market up is what? Is going down. You can see the buyers are losing the morale. The morale of buyers is going down, guys. You can draw in minute 5 like this, draw another counter trend in a minute 5 like that way, like this. We can see, guys, the market is trying to do like that. So we can see this was a low. The market started from here, pump up, and now is coming like that. It's still failing, struggling here. Let us see what is happening around here, guys, but keep waiting, keep eye on the market, guys. So this is the strategy what we always use here on trader dives, guys. That is our best strategy. WTB strategy, guys. It's the key, guys. You can grow any kind of money you have on your trading account, guys, to hit any what, because this is a strong zones, guys. For instance, guys, if you put here, if you take your entry, guys, around this area, let us see how much you can see, guys. For instance, if the market breaks here, guys, you take your entry at 0.01, you bring it here down, guys. Almost will be having 160 pips, guys. That is so much, which means you're having $16. If you're having you're trading with $10, guys, you already in profit. So if you go in H1, if we go in H1, you can see, guys, if you go in H1, if you see where the TPs there are, guys, it's a lot of money, guys. With this strategy, guys, it's a lot of money. It's really a lot of money. If the market now breaks here, let's say that this candle come and close inside, it close below our counter zone like that, and then we take the trade. You can see, guys, if we swing this market up to this area, hold on a bit. If we swing market up to here, those are $238, guys, just with 0.001, 0.001, one entry like this, you will be making $200. So why I'm saying that, I know if we can go in history back, and you can see, guys, if we go back in history, we can see, guys, what I always tell you, that wait the market to come and form a U-turn on this and get a sniper zone. If you get a sniper zone, if you get what? A sniper zone, wait the market to come in your zone, guys, in your target. Just be patient, and then you read the market. Are you getting the point? You can see this was what? 3 hours you holding, guys. That we are scalping. You get a lot of money, guys. Are you getting? You wait, this was a sniper zone. You know the market is selling, it have to come and sell. It had come again, guys, tapped the first time on sniper zone, you sold it. This was a what? A double bottom, guys. Yes, a double bottom. And then you draw your trend line, guys, because you have seen a double bottom in H1. Yes, you scalp it, you bring it again here, you out, you wait, it comes again in your sniper entry, you sell it. Are you getting point, guys? You wait, it comes again, and then you drop it down again, guys. Simple. Yeah? The only thing, you don't have to be greedy. You should be knowing how much to take. If you are losing $3, guys, If you see $9, why are you still holding the market? You have $10 account, you want to make $100 account, and then you over leverage your account, you will lose. Just simple day. I'm getting the point, guys. So thanks so much for being around with me. I'm so super happy. Make sure to keep eye on the market. We shall see you to the next time. Peace.